Okay, you guys can hear me? Actually, there is some delay between my voice and the streaming. I don't know what is the issue there. Okay, actually, yesterday I explained something, but there was some problem, some issue, so I couldn't continue well. So in Microsoft Excel, when I open, first we will create attendance sheet 1, and we are going to create very fast, so there won't be any delay. First I am going to make some headings, like first there will be serial number, then I am taking some names, student names, then subject 1. So if I drag, then after I can get all subjects. Okay, 6 subjects enough. Then here I am taking total. Now I am taking till total, after I will take again later those headings. In serial number, one way is you can write 1 and hold control, then drag it down till where you want serial number, but that's not functional. If you want serial number as a functional, means function wise, so for that you must apply one form. There are 5 ways as much I know. So by using 5 ways you can insert serial number. So one way I am going to tell you, that is equal row, then open bracket and close bracket. Here we don't need to write anything between bracket, between braces. In last we have to give subtraction symbol, minus symbol, and after we have to write before cell, means before 2 we have 1 here, so I am writing 1, then enter, then you can drag it down. So what is the difference between this and before? Like here, if I write 1, then hold control and I got same. So here this is function, but in this one there is no function. So the difference is, if I select here, I selected complete row, and if I delete that row, see this where is I have function, that is changing automatic, but where I didn't take by function, that is not changing. So that's the different. And one more thing is here, why I minus here 1? So I minus 1 because my serial number is starting from row number 2, but if just for example, if I want my serial number from here, okay, like so, now I want my serial number from 32. So if I here is equal, and if I apply that function, then close braces, and here if I want serial number, so after subtraction marks I have to place 31. Remember in previous here we minused 1 because we wanted serial number from row number 2, but here I want my serial number from row number 32, so I have to minus 31, then enter. Now you can drag it. Okay, I hope this thing you guys could understood this. Now let's write some names. So I have written some by default some names. I will drag, I will get same names there. Okay, for subject, to write some subjects, like to write some marks. So actually students are mostly lazy to write marks there. So today I am going to tell you about the functions. By using functions you can insert marks itself. So here first one way is simple. I will tell you 2 ways to apply this function. first is equal rand between. In Microsoft Word we were taking by default some paragraphs by using rand, only rand, okay, is equal rand, then open bracket close bracket, you were getting something, and here is rand between. And after that here you can see here one thing is written bottom, another is written top, and in bottom I have to write my minimum marks. In minimum what I want, minimum I want, let's say I want 20, comma, maximum I want 100, then close bracket, enter. Then you can drag it down, then drag it right side, all you got. Okay, one way is this by dragging, another way is no need to drag, so I just cancel this one, also delete. So first till where I want from my C2 to here till here H18. So first select till there, till where you want any numbers, and here in formula bar write that function is equal rand between and minimum, let's say I want 15 minimum, comma, and maximum I want 100, then close bracket. This time don't press just enter, control plus enter, press hold control then enter. See, you got all in one click or in one time, you got all marks in all subjects. One more problem is here. Problem is if I change manually any digits, all are changing. See, if I change any cell, all are changing. So to avoid that, select it again and copy it. After copying, go to here, paste, then paste special. Otherwise you can do one thing, for paste special shortcut is Ctrl Alt V. When you press Ctrl Alt V then you have paste special one dialog box here. In this dialog box, remember your selections should be in same place, because we want to paste in same place, and uncheck this one, check values only, just to make check values, otherwise all will be settled. Then click OK. Now all are numbers, functions are gone. If I press Ctrl Z, now you can see everywhere we have functions here, but if I go to forward, Ctrl Y, so now here we don't have any function. So that benefit is now even whatever you change, numbers, all numbers are settled. Now for total we are going to apply a function, that is alt is equal auto sum, control plus alt plus is equal auto sum, then enter. Similar to that you can apply here if you want, like you can drag it, you got one, or if you want in one click all, so select this all, then here press alt is equal, all are gone, no need to press, even in this time no need to press enter. Now let's talk about pass and fail. Okay, maximum marks would be here 600, because in each subjects we gave 100, so maximum marks 600, and just drag it down, we want same 600 in every cell. Here we are going to get percentage. We have two types of percentage. Okay, in one percentage I will just tell you simple way, is equal total marks, then slash is before right shift there is one question mark button, so that question mark button when you press with shift you will get, oh sorry, without shift when you press you will get that slash. Otherwise in numeric keypad there is before asterisk symbol you will get, after nums log nm lk is written there, after that you will get that symbol slash. And here I am taking maximum marks, then enter. Okay, now don't worry, we will correct of these all things, then drag it down. Now come here, on general, in numbers group, here is general, click on this one and take here percentage. Okay, and same panel you can open by control 1. When you hold press control 1, you will get this panel. Okay, in this one, if you don't want after point any letter, any digit, I want only one digit, I don't want any decimals, so press control 1, same panel will open. Then here decimal places make it 0, then okay. Now we don't have here, and in by this way you can get some percentage value, but there is another way. There you can't get percentage symbol there. That way is equal total marks, then asterisk multiplication 100, now slash, and means division, then maximum marks, enter, and now drag it down. Now if it is gets hidden your ribbon, then click 2 times, you will get back. Like if I click 2 times again, that is hidden, but if I click and 2 times again, it will come back, and now it will remain. If you click only 1 time, it will come, then after it will disappear again. So now here in general, make it number. Okay, we have same, and the same options. If you don't want any decimal after means after point, if you don't want any letter, then for that purpose go here again, more number formats, and make decimal 0. Okay, so we have now 2 types of percentage. Now let's talk about result. Result based on total marks. So here if I want result pass and fail result based on total marks, so for that is equal, we are going to apply if function, is equal if open bracket. Now there is logical test, means which value we want test. We are going to test this total marks. So click on total marks, then I am saying that if total marks is greater than or equal to, let's take 250. If this is more than 250, is equal will define 250, means if anyone has 250, 251, 252, so this all will get in these values. So now give the comma here, then value if true. Okay, you got here 250 or 250, more than 250, so what do you want? I want here pass. If anyone has 250, 251, I want pass. So whatever you want, write that in between quotation mark open. Now here write pass and quotation mark close. Now remember we have here 2, we must give 2 values, value if true, value if false. Sometimes we don't need this one, later I will tell you in next result. So this time comma, then here okay, if it doesn't happen, if false means if it doesn't happen, if this condition I don't get, then what I want there better luck next time. Okay, better luck next time, then quotation mark close bracket, then enter. Just check the function again, then press enter. Now we got pass here, then here click 2 times on this corner, we have only one better luck next time. Okay, no problem, we can make more. If I make it 12 something 0, see we got here again better luck next time. Now again one more result is there based on subject wise. Based on subject wise means from here, from subject 1 to subject 6, if from here till here anyone has less than 30 marks in any subject, he is fail. Less than 30 marks, then he is fail, or if anyone has more than 30 marks, then he is pass. So actually there is also, we will apply if, but the one thing is one symbol will be different. We must add one more value, one more function there. Result subject wise. In this one is equal if open bracket, logical test we are going to go give this first one. If this one, okay, no, one more thing here, we, as I told you, we are going to apply from subject 1 to subject 6. So after if we have to apply one more function, that is called AND. Then here again open bracket, then logical 1. So now here we can add more than one. If this one is greater than or equal 30, comma, then this one is also if greater than or equal 30, comma, I am just copying this one, so no need to press again and again because this value will be same. Okay, then if this one I paste it, same. If this one I paste, if this one then I paste, greater means greater than or 30, then in last this one greater than and 30. Okay, last we don't need comma here, last just close bracket. Now after closing bracket give here comma. Now you see, now we have if condition here, like in this one we pressed if, then we got value if true, value if false. Now we have similar things there. So here after we are going to give here, if this happens, then I want to pass quotation mark close, then again comma. Yeah, if it didn't if it doesn't happen, then I want fail, or okay, just write fail or lost. Anything you can write based, like here I wrote better luck next time based on your choice. Then close bracket, enter. Now here click 2 times, all are settled. Now let's talk about some conditional formatting. Conditional formatting is like in this one, I want wherever is pass, I want separate color. Why I want one way is I can apply color formatting by using here and I can give any color, right? But this is not proper way because this color will be same, even pass will change. If I make it see, if I make it fail, see it is better like next time, but color is same, all formats are same. I don't want that, I want color based on formatting, conditional formatting. So for that select this all, then okay, I want to apply first on this one only, select this, then here conditional formatting, then highlight cell rules, first one highlight cells rules, then here text that contains, don't worry, I will apply these things also today here on this one, and highlight cells rules, then text that contains, click on this one, and here where I want to apply, I want to apply on pass, then write here pass, then what format you want. Here by default we have some colors like yellow, you can see the preview here, then here we have another green color that is called pache color in Malayalam. Okay, then click on custom format. By using custom format you can take your own color. Then here font, in font what color you want in font, select any, I want this white, and in fill color I let's say I want this one, then hit OK. Now you can see the sample here, means preview here, then hit OK. Now if I change anyone, like if anyone is gets any, now you can see this color is this one, but if I make some changes here, like I make it fail anyone, see here color changed automatic. I hope you guys understood these things. Similar to that you can apply in this one also, but one example is enough, we don't have more time here. And next is this one, here I am going to apply one condition, 2 conditions I will apply here. One condition is if anyone has how many if anyone has more than 90 marks, then I want separate color, and if anyone has less than 20 marks, I want separate color for them. So selection is same from subject 1 to subject 6, conditional formatting, highlight cell rules, then greater than, click on greater than, and here I want 90 and I want, let's say, green one. I am not making any more formatting. Hit OK to save your times. Conditional. Now I want a less than 20, so go to here again, highlight cell rules, then this time less than, and here I want 20, then yellow color is okay. Okay, keep it red color or take yellow color here. Okay, so we have applied how many formattings here? 2 formattings, conditional formatting we applied here, and we applied 2 here. Now what if I want to change, I want to edit my formatting. Okay, if I delete any things, any letter, if I delete, first there is functions, if I just delete this one, so formatting is gone. But if I again take that back, so that formatting comes again, because from here till here we have that formatting. So if you want to edit your rules or edit your formatting, then first select, okay, otherwise no need to select, just place your mouse there, then here conditional formatting. This time click on manage rules. In manage rules, here like my mouse was there, so in that one we have this condition. Okay, if you select all, like my mouse was here on pass, if you select all these, now if I apply here conditional formatting, then manage rules, okay, current selection still comes, so we need to change this one into, actually we have applied only one condition, if text that contains, so here make it this workbook. Now we have all 3 formattings we have here, so all we got 3 formatting. Let's say I want to change this color, I want to change the background color, not means some another color, or I want to apply some more formattings. So check, highlight this one, then click on edit rules, then here don't make any changes here, just or if you want to apply any changes like pass, or maybe you have made any changes in formula, so from here you can change it, otherwise no need to change. Otherwise go here, formatting, let's say I want this color, okay, or this color, hit OK, OK, apply, and here OK. Now here also got changed. Okay, now I am selecting all, apply some borders here, all borders, and for headings we can apply some different colors here, font color also. This thing also we can take by using table, we have here table as format, but there is more confusions there for new students, so I will explain in another class. Okay, let's talk one more thing, filter. Last thing we will talk filter, and after we will talk about little advanced filter. So first filter is, what is filter? Filter is just separation, means if you apply filter, so something will be separate from something, like if in this data I have pass and fail, if I want to separate pass, so that will be filtered, but fail also will be there, or better luck next time this will also be there. So whatever you want to check, first select this one, or just click on that row, then press Ctrl Shift L. Ctrl Shift L is for filter shortcut. Otherwise, like you got filter again if you press Ctrl Shift L, then filter button will go. Otherwise you can go here, sort and filter, click here, and filter option on. You can see the shortcut Ctrl Shift L. Click on filter. Now what do you want? Remember how many values we have here? 1 to 18, right? 2 to 18. So 17 values we have here. But in filter we will see only 2. We will see pass and or better luck, because there is 2 category. This will come in one same category. So click here. See, we have only better luck and pass. So I want only better luck, means uncheck pass. I want how many are there? I want only those lists. So hit OK. Now we can see only these letters or only these formats. And if you want to go again back, so check this one and select all, or this time I am unchecking this one. Now we have only pass formats here. Similar to that, I got pass, okay, but I want to check from this one. Now you can see where in which column you apply filter. You can see here filter button. One is drop down arrow is already there in all headers, but in there is also filter button is there. Now I want, my condition is I want whoever is pass in result and in subject wise who is fail, there also I can apply filter. This filter is similar to that when you do shoppings like in Amazons or Flipkarts. That time you apply filter if you want search any laptop. So you apply first what laptop you want, then which company, then what is RAM. So you apply more than one filter there. Same thing we can apply here, more than one. So first we applied here for pass, and here I want how many pass here and here is lost. Means based on total marks he is pass, but based on subject wise he is lost. Then click OK. So this much we have in result. I hope this one is clear. Now I am removing all filters. Okay, this was about basic filter. One more is I will tell you last thing because time is almost over. So last thing I am telling, advanced filter. Advanced filter is I want all pass, like subject wise all pass person in separate table, in separate data. So for that select this all data, then go to here data tab, and here we have advanced. You can uncheck this one, no need of this filter. This filter and in home menu this filter is same. So come here in data, then advanced, and here list range will be same, and check this one, copy to another location. Okay, now criteria range. In criteria range we have to give this one, select this and this one, result and pass, and copy to where do you want to copy. Let's say I want to copy from here. I want to copy here, means separate these lists, then hit OK. Okay, see how many pass we have. All pass are here, it means subject wise all pass we have separate, but there is no any functions. See, we don't have in total marks also we don't have function, and in the based on result also we don't have any function. It just pastes values. Here if I place here I have functions in formula bar, but if I press here I don't have any function here. Okay, this was about the one. But what if you want to separate lost persons here, lost students here? So for that we can't select here. For that purpose we must copy this one and heading, paste heading somewhere else, and you can copy lost, or you can here even write here lost. I think this is case sensitive. You can write L capital or small, all will catch. This time I am making again selections, then advanced. So list range will be same, copy to, and this time criteria range delete it and select these two, and here change it. I want okay, I want from here, then hit OK. Now see, here we have all lost students data, and in this one we have all pass students data. Okay, I hope this one video was clear. Your doubts, any doubts here, or we can end this session. Okay, so enough, let's end this session. Inshallah next session we will start whenever we get time. Okay, thank you all of you for watching, and this video also will be uploaded in video from there, also in list from channel also you can watch this video. Thank you so much for watching, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this class.